Dude, why you... What? What? Refusal. Holy shit, that lady just ran the stops. Oh, hey, yeah, dude. Tell me that's not dangerous. Whoa. He's literally in the middle line. Where's that get you, my guy? How do you crack your foot? Oh my god. What happened?